haul video. As I told you guys, July is sale season in honor of my birthday. No, not really, but it is sale season. And I went to the Zara sale. A lot of you asked me to do a haul, so you can see that stuff today. And I also went to the H&M sale, which is massive, like 70% off. And like I went to the store on Wednesday, and it was so crowded. Like the lines at the changing rooms were like super long. So another thing about this haul is I haven't tried any of the stuff I bought. I bought stuff from Zara and H&M. The reason I didn't try stuff was because they had massive lines at H&M, and Zara I ordered everything online. But the great part about them is that they have a return policy. So whatever doesn't work today, I'm going to return. So I need your help to pick my clothes. I have not tried these yet. I'm going to try these with you guys today. So let's begin. First up, we have my Zara stuff. Now, what I love about this is that all these boxes are actually made with like recycled boxes, which is great at Zara. And H&M also does that, but they have their conscious collection. They have stuff that you can give in like a clothes drive to get a discount, which I think it's really cool that all these high street brands are kind of thinking of the environment and doing things to change their processes now. So marks for this one, Zara. So first up from Zara, we have this dress. It's a nice floral maxi dress, which was for $17.90, but I got it for $9.90. So about 800 rupees off, which I think is pretty cool. I'm not so sure if I like it as much now. Like the print looked a lot nicer online, but let's see once we try it. Then we have this cute little crop top. Now I really like this. This was originally for $9.90, about $1,000, but it was down to $5.90 on sale. I feel like the neck is really interesting and it would look really cool with a lot of options. And black just goes with everything, which is why I got this. Then we have this top, which I think is going to end up being my favorite. It's like a navy top, which has like a noodle strap on one side and this like strap on the other. And it's asymmetrical. It's got different fabrics. So you have like a sheer fabric on one side, then you have something shiny and shimmery on the rest. And it just looks really nice. So this was slightly more expensive than the rest. Originally was 2,490, basically 2,500. And it was down to 1,590, so about 1,600. But the fabric is definitely a lot nicer than the other stuff. And I just feel like it's a really unique design. What do you think? Okay, now we have the two pairs of jeans that I bought. So there's this pair, which is with a belt. And then there's this pair, which is a darker shade, which is much wider than this one, I think. So yeah, I'm going to decide between these two with your help. So these were cheaper. These were about $17.90 and they were originally $2,590, which I think is really cheap for jeans actually. Wide leg, they have a belt on the top and they're meant to be high-waisted, which is why I got these, because I wanted like a high-waisted pair of wide leg jeans because I don't have something that's this wide. And then we have these, which are 2,290 rupees after discount, which were originally 3,490. I hate this and 90. Like, why can't they just make it 500 or 600 or whatever? It's just a silly trick that stores play with us. But like these are much wider, much darker. And I feel like these are also a size bigger than those. So I just feel like these might be a little big, but they didn't have the smaller size in this. Like this was the smallest size they had. So I just hope these fit because these are definitely cooler, I think. But I don't know. Once I wear them, maybe I'd like those more. What do you guys think? Then we have the H&M stuff. Now, I didn't buy as much stuff from H&M, but I got really cool stuff at massive discounts. So I'm going to start with the small stuff. I bought these really cute earrings. They're hoops or balis with like a shell, like a golden shell. These were originally 600 rupees down to 250. You guys know I'm really into earrings now. And they were just so cheap that I was just like, I have to get them. So I got these. Okay, so all the three items I bought are from the Conscious collection. Number one is this denim skirt that I've been eyeing for a really long time. Now, I saw this at H&M earlier. This is from the Conscious collection, which is why it's slightly more expensive. It was 2,299. And I just thought then like, oh, it's a denim skirt. Should I get it? Should I not get it? But I feel like I don't have like a longish denim skirt. All the ones that I have are really short. This is something that I could wear every day or team with a lot of things. And I love how it's got a slit at the back and the bottom is just so like uneven and like I like that bit about it. And I'm glad I didn't buy then because now it's on sale and I got it for 1,000 rupees, which I think is amazing. Then the next two items I got, there was this pantsuit in the Conscious collection. which was all over the Conscious campaign when it dropped, and I thought it was really, really cool. It's black and it has a massive slit on the back, which is why it's different and unique. I really like blazers. You guys know that I buy a lot of blazers because I like the way they look on me, and right now with my short hair, I love them. Now these were on a massive discount. So this was originally 4,499, 4,500, and it was down to 1,500 on sale. 1,500, that's it. Okay, so I just hope this fits well because I want it. Then I also bought the trousers because I've never really had a trouser suit, and I've always wanted to have one. So I hope when I try it, it looks nice together. If not, I can also just keep them as separates or return one or return both. But yeah, I thought they would look cool together. This was originally 3,499 again, which was down to 1,500. So pretty much you get the whole set, like a whole trouser suit for 3,000 rupees from the Conscious collection, which I think is quite cool. So yeah, excited about this. So that's all the stuff, guys. Time to try and decide.
See you wine like Rihanna, get all up on the bum diggy diggy bum bum. She burn it up like the summer. She turn me on with a bum diggy diggy bum bum.
You got me like crazy, that you calling
with a bum diggy diggy bum bum.
You got me like crazy, that you calling
पागल हमारा धार गली पागल, आजा हमारा धार धार पागल हमारा धार गली पागल, आजा हमारा धार धार पागल हमारा धार गली पागल, आजा हमारा धार धार पागल हमारा धार गली पागल.
So guys, what did you think? What did you love? What did you hate? I'm not really feeling the whole trouser suit. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep both. I might just keep the jacket as an oversized jacket because it's an extra small, but it's meant to fit like this. But I'm still not sure. The dress, again, not sure. The jeans, sadly, the ones I liked better are too big. So these, again, I think are not going to work because I'm not sure if I can alter them. These fit really well, but I don't know. So guys, help me. Comment below with what I should return and what I should keep. This haul is in your hands. So that's it for today's haul. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to comment below with which items I should keep and which I should return because I'm really confused. Should I keep this? Should I return it? Should I keep this? Should I return it? I don't know. But make sure you watch my last video here. And also hit on my face to subscribe if you haven't. See you guys. Bye.